In this video, we will add Facebook like buttons in WordPress footer, post and page. If this is your first time to my channel, please subscribe to channel and click bell icon to get updates when new content is added. First, search for Facebook developers link in the browser and click this link, or you can find the link in the description section below this video. On this page, we can configure the like button for Facebook page. Copy the URL of your Facebook page and paste it in the URL field. Add width of the like button, and the minimum width of the like button can be 225 and above. This is how it will be visible when you add to your WordPress site. You can edit other settings here. You can change the layout to suit your need: standard, box count, button count, and button. You can also choose the action type between the two options, like or recommend. You can also change the size of the button if you need a larger button on your site or a small one. You can add a share button or disable it by checking and unchecking this box. Again, if you wish to show your friend's face along with the Facebook buttons, you can check this box or uncheck it. Finally, click the Get Code button. Click iframe tab and copy the code. Let's head to WordPress and install the code in the page and post. In WordPress dashboard, under Appearance, click Widget tab. Next, select HTML and click Add Widget. Paste the iframe code in the widget content area and save the changes. Let's preview the like button on the post page. Here it is. This is how Facebook page like button will be visible to web visitors who visit our WordPress posts, prompting them to like or recommend your Facebook page, as well as share it on their Facebook profile or to their friends on Facebook. You can copy and paste the code in anywhere in the beginning, in between, on the end of WordPress page, or you can copy and paste the code in the beginning of your WordPress post or in between the WordPress post on the end of the WordPress post. You can also add the Facebook page like and share button in the footer of WordPress site through footer widget in the widget page. Next, select HTML and click Add Widget. Paste the iframe code in the widget content area and save the changes. We are done adding the Facebook like button plugin in our WordPress site. I hope you liked watching the video. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe, like and comment on this video if it was helpful. Thank you.